Hello, in front of me I've got NuPhy Air96. In this video we'll check if this keyboard has hot swap switches. In short, yes, NuPhy Air96 does have hot swap switches. In the original package we can find keycap and switches puller. In order to hot swap your switches, firstly remove the keycap, now place it over the switch. From the other side, gently squeeze and pull. Next, if you want to put it back, remember to check for the pin alignment, because here we've got two pins and here are pinholes. Place it correctly and gently push it in. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.